Assalamu alaikum. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel. This is Shabir Sen. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel. This is Shabir Sen Bhatti, and today we will learn if then else function in Microsoft Excel. If then else functions are very important while we are going to make decisions. It is a logical expression, and I recommend all the guys who are interested in Excel or any spreadsheet, this video is very important for them to learn and understand what is if then else functions for beginners, and then you will see my video for the advanced learners as well. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and share this video with your friend and family members. If then else function, as I earlier mentioned, this is a logical expression which will work based on the given condition. If the condition true, then he will do something. If the condition false, then this function will do the other thing. So as I give the example here, if a2 is equal to yes, then true, else false. So it is saying that in simple expression, if a2 is equal to yes, then return a true, otherwise return false. So this is the explanation of the expression given in the example. Very simple example and very important. While we are making the result, I need to know either the student has passed the examination or not. So the formula is if A2 is a cell address, it can be any. So A2 is greater than equal to 50, then pass, else fails. So if the student score is more than or equal to 50, then he will be declared as a pass, otherwise fail. Another example for the grading, because fail and pass is not enough to understand the concept, the whole concept. So for the grading example, what I basically try to explain here, if student will take more than 90% marks, he will be graded as A plus. If 80% A, 70% B, 60% C, D, 50% D, and then less than 50, he will be declared as a fail. We will see in the example, definitely practical example. The second thing is commission calculation. So this is my criteria. If salesman will generate more than 50 million sale, he will be entitled to get 5% as a commission bonus. 40 million for 30 million 3, 20 million 2, 1, 10 million 1, and if he is generating less than 10 million sale, he will not be able to get any extra bonus or the commission. Let us see in the Excel how to do these things. I have already developed this sheet for saving our time. Let us see how to implement if then else function in Excel. Is equal to if this cell is greater than equal to 50%, then pass, else fail. So whatever expression or text I need to display, it will be in double quotation. Text always in double quotation in formula. So you can see here, he is, because 80% is more than 50%, he is declared as a pass. So wherever less than 50%, it will be declared as a fail. Even 49%, even 49.99999, whatever, he will be considered as fail. Okay. Now grading is equal to if this cell greater than equal to 90%, then A plus, else if this cell greater than equal to 80%, then A. Else if same thing, this cell greater than equal to 70%, then B. Else if this cell greater than equal to 60%, then C. Else if same cell greater than equal to 50%, then D. Else because I don't have any other option, any other condition, so in the else I will not mention as a complete condition. If any one of the condition will not true, then the else condition will definitely display the result. So else F is a fail or fail, let us say F-A-I-L, fail. Now I need to close all the braces. 1, 2, you can see the color highlight, 3, 4, and that's it. So 80+%, so you can see he is considered still fail. If he is getting 98%, so it's a 90. So A plus, B, C, there is no D, let us have one D as well. And you can see here is getting D, and this is the example of obtaining a result, a grading results. Now again I have another example where I have the sample data here. Okay, so as I mentioned, if more than 50 million, then 5% commission, then it's same thing we will see is equal to if commission greater than equal to 50, 123 million, then 5%. Because this is a calculation, I will not make in double quotation. The calculation or number will remain without double quotation. Else if this cell, else if M3 greater than equal to 40, 123 million, then 4%. Else if M3 greater than equal to 40, 30, 30 million, then 3%. Else if M3 greater than equal to 20, 20 million, then 2%. Else if M3 greater than equal to 10, 10 million, then 1%. Else 0%. So now I will close all the braces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to a red color. See, so you can see 5%. You can apply the percentage symbol as well. It's a 5%, and then just drag the formula down. Now you need the amount is equal to this one multiplied by the one, and you will get here the commission amount for mid painter, just to get 2.7 million as a commission. Okay, whatever the number is, this is just an example to see what is the what is the result. 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. If you multiply the commission with the sale, you will get it. And if if it's a big number, and you know it's not a 5%, it's a 0.5%, so just mention 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2 and 0.1 and 0. So you will see here something like this. So it just increase the size, the decimal place, and this is the commission. Right, hope you understand. Let us go back to our presentation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family members. Please give me your productive feedback so that I will improve my upcoming videos.